Hello everyone and good morning. Guys, good morning.
Good morning.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, sir.
Good morning everyone and welcome to the day 4. Okay. How come the day 4 came? Because we have started this batch on the 20th of August. Okay. And from the 20th of August, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we have taken 3 classes. If someone will still say that where is the class recording, so if you will come here, the top we have created the 2 links. One is for the syllabus, one is on the YouTube. Okay. And if you will open this link, it will be directly called as a syllabus, or we can call as a tracking sheet. Whatever we have completed, it will be available here. And another is if you want to see the YouTube videos, okay, if you want to see the videos on the YouTube with your friends, so we have created the link for the YouTube as well, which is a playlist, and it will be available here. And next 1 or 2 classes more will be available here. Rest everything will come into our LMS system. Okay, cool. And let's come to the tracking sheet. Okay, guys, I need your help. Okay, because the intention is very clear. Whatever we have completed, we will make it green. Whatever is not completed, it's your right. You can say that because it is not completed, make it red. Fine, agree? Guys, help me out. We have taken the introduction of the DevOps in the last class, right? We know the top DevOps tools on a very high level, names at least. Yes, no. Guys, I need answer from everyone.
Yes.
Not only Ravi.
Yeah.
Others.
Yeah.
Everyone?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Good. Thank you.
Yes. Yes.
We have taken the introduction of DevOps. Why? What is DevOps? Why DevOps? Okay, because with the help of DevOps, we will streamline the solution. Let's assume you have a what we can say multiple tools you are using, and everyone is using with different way. So we can streamline the tools with the help of DevOps solutions. Okay, that's why the DevOps is required. And if multiple teams don't have the proper communication, they will not able to work for a particular software. Okay, or they will not be very good into the software development lifecycle. That's why we need a DevOps with a streamlined solution who will do the communication and collaboration so that software development lifecycle will work smoothly, faster, with less errors, because we will do all the things with the help of automation. Okay. Before DevOps, lot of manual activities. Okay. After DevOps, everything with the help of tool. Agree? Yes or no? This is what we have already discussed. Now the question is a good DevOps engineer, or what a DevOps engineer is supposed to do. Okay, we will discuss roles and responsibility also we will discuss, and we will continue from here. And I'm coming to the day 3. And if someone will ask, or you will feel that where is the PPTs and everything, I will tell you very straightforward, very simple. As soon as you will come into the Cloud DevOps website, okay, there is a direct link, come enroll now. Else you can come click on this place. As soon as you will click here, and if you have already a registered member, if not, click on this link. You will get all the PPTs and videos will be available here. I think my free validity has been expired. I'm directly going into the dashboard. Okay. And I will show you from this place. Okay. As soon as you will come here inside it, and if you will see here, this is the user preview. Okay. Here, my day 1 related PPT videos are already available here. Here is the PPT and here is the video. Okay. And we did a lot of question and answer. So we have created a separate video for that. Okay. Day 2, PPT is available here. Video is available here. Okay. Same way, the day 3, PPT and video is available here. So this PPT, whatever we are discussing today, it's already available into the LMS system. Video is here. We will complete the things and then we will do it. I hope, I'm expecting, guys, if you have not did, no need to worry, but at least read this handwritten notes of the cloud computing. It will be very, very helpful for you. Okay. You will understand something, because some students are there who feel that if handwritten notes are there, it will be helpful for them. Yes, you can have a look into this. Make sense? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay, everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Thank you. Fine. And why I'm explaining this, because I don't want you to be worried that where is the PPT and recording. Okay, everything is available into the LMS system. Very fast. Give me the answer. What is DevOps? Very fast. Answer fast. Guys, speak up.
A combination of the development and operations things.
Correct. Okay. If you, as soon as you will join into any of the company, there may be chances you will get a more DevOps development work, or there may be chances you may get more operation works. So it can be like that 60%, 70% can be possible in both the cases. Okay. How the DevOps work has been created. dev keyword from the development, ops keyword from the operation, they merge it and the DevOps has been created. This is the same way the name has been created, same way the DevOps team also get created. Some members from the development, some members from the operation. If you will learn the things by own, definitely you have to learn all these things, but practically in none of the person can able to learn all these things, okay? Because so many tools are there, we don't know which tool, how much we have to learn it. And there is no end for some particular tools as well. If you will go for the Docker, Kubernetes, Terraform, there is no end at all. Okay, AWS, there is no end. We have to learn into some limit which has to be used into the project. I hope everyone is agree, right? Everyone agree?
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay, and same way, these are the tools which we have to learn and we are going to explore in the next 55 days, these all tools. Okay, cool. We have already discussed the theory. We have already discussed about the DevOps. Everyone can become a DevOps engineer, as we have already discussed. Okay, we have discussed about this part as well. We have discussed that development people has their own roles and responsibility where they have to focus it. Operation people has their own roles and responsibility where they have to focus it. Development people will not able to work for the operation. Operation people will not able to work for the development side. So there is always a wall of confusion that why should I do someone else work? So that's why the new team has been created. In every team, there is a new person or new group has been created, that is a DevOps group, who will work some part of the development, who will work some part of the operation. I hope everyone is very clear, right?
Yep.
Thank you. Now, I would like to, we have already discussed multiple problems and their solution with the help of DevOps tool. Okay. Now, what DevOps engineer has intended to do. Okay, because if I told we have a lot of tools, yes, we do have the lot of tools and we do a lot of work. We do a lot of work according to the means related to the coding as well. If I'm talking about the coding part, the pure development part, we will not write the code. Okay, guys, trust me, we will not write the code, but we will manage the code. Okay, we will help him into the merge. We will give the new process, how to review, how the good code, how the quality of the code should be go into the environment. Okay, or how the code management has to be done. That is our part. We will do it because Git and GitHub is our tool. We have to give the training to the developers that you have to use this tool with the best practices. This is our work into the coding part. Agree, everyone? Fine. Everyone, please.
Yes.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then, as soon as the developer write the code, okay, that code has to be built, means application has to be get generated. Definitely, it's just a one command. Okay, it's just a one command which developer will give it to us based on Java application, Python, .NET, or whatever it is. He will give you the one command or whatever the step is required. He will give it to us. We will automate everything. That is called continuous integration, and we will do it. Yes, that is our work. Okay. Testing. There is a separate manual testing team or automation testing team is available who will do their testing for sure. Okay. But if they are doing the manual testing or they are taking lot of efforts in doing the testing, so what we can do it, we can help him in automating the things. Okay. We will help him and we will automate the things that we will do it. That is our testing part. There are so many testing tools are available, which we have already seen it on a very high level, but we can take as a very simple example. Let's assume you have to do the website testing. In the website testing, you have to do multiple type testing. So with the help of Selenium, we can means automation test engineer will generate one script. He will give it to us and we will set up in our tool. It can be Jenkins, it can be cron job. We will set up it and the automated testing will happen. That is our part again. Okay, but we will not do the testing. The script we will configure with the help of DevOps tool. That is our testing part will come. Make sense, everyone?
Sir,
Yes.
who will write the script?
Test automation engineers are there. They will write it.
Okay, it's not our job to write a script and then.
No.
Okay.
Why we will not eat the see for one project development, 100 people are there, right? We will not eat everyone jobs. Okay, we will help everyone so that they will not do the manual work. Okay, their work will run faster with the quality. Okay, and we have the tool for everything. Okay, same thing. If we will create a build, we have to pack the build after the testing. We will do the packing of the tool, packing of the image. We can say we can create an image or we can pack the build as well. That we will save it at our location. It can be so many tools are available. Simple. If it's an image, the Docker Hub is the repository place where all the images will be get saved. The packaging is also in our queue. Okay, releasing from one environment to another environment. Yes, we will help him. Configuration means infrastructure creation, platform creation. That is also our part. Okay. monitoring application has to be provided to the L1, L2 or support team so that they will do the application monitoring properly. That is our part. Means I would like to say that we will not do all these things. We will help him all these processes and we will streamline the solution. Make sense? Yes or no? Means for every activity, we have a tool to do the work. Okay. Monitoring, we will not sit into the night. We will not do the monitoring. Okay. But we will create an application and we will hand over to the L1, L2 team. They will do the monitoring 24/7. Make sense? Coding, we will not write the code, but we will tell to the developer, you have to write the code accordingly. We have a tool who will say that the code of the developer is good or not. We will check the code with the help of SonarQube. We can take an example, SonarQube. We can verify that the quality of the code developer has written is a good or not. And if it's not good, we will inform to the developer that your code is not good. That is also automated. So like that means we will involve in all these activities so that we have a tool for every activity. Make sense? Everyone agree?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
If someone will ask,
Yes,
if
sir.
someone will ask, because as soon as the very first introduction only, they will ask you what you do or what you can do. So whatever is your expertise area after 10 days, okay, or after 15 days, you have to add your points accordingly. Okay. And I will teach you all these things. Okay. Now, why the DevOps is becoming in every team, or why, you know, right, DevOps person is available in every project or every team. Why and how? The reason is there are some technical reasons, because things will work continuously. The things are working continuously or very fast, and we will make it simplify. If you will feel that these are a lot of work, if developer will know only how to manage the code, it will be very difficult. If monitoring people will know how to manage how to do the monitoring, it will be very difficult. And if every team knows only their part, it will be very difficult. But there is a team. If let's assume any of the team you want to remove into the future, so DevOps is the team who can handle that part. Okay. So like that, we can say that we will not make the dependency on the particular team as well. That is one of the technical benefit. We will not make the things complicated. We will make the things very simple. Okay. Look like it's tough, but we will make the things very simple, because every tool is expertise into their part, and we will make the things complicated things into the simpler. If every activity is manual, it will take a time. We have a tool, he will work 24/7 in the night, into the daytime also, so that what will happen, the resolution or software development or problem will be fixed very quickly. These are some technical benefits where that's why the DevOps is getting adopted in every company. Cool, agree? Guys, yes or no?
Oh,
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Right? Cool. There are some cultural benefit also there. If people will not fight with each other, they will be happy. They will be more productive. Okay. Their engagement rate will be higher. Okay. Engagement means they will talk with other team, and they will, instead of fighting, they will be the innovative person. This is a cultural benefit. That's why DevOps is getting improved in every company. Professional development opportunity means instead of doing only fixes, solving the problem, we will be innovative and we will do something better. That's why the DevOps is getting involved into, has been adopted by every company. Okay. Some business benefit also there, like faster delivery of the feature. Any of the feature came, everything is automated. Just one click and things happen. So it's a business benefit. Application will be more stable because multiple things are happening automatically. Okay. And tools cannot lie. Whatever we will configure, that all things we are getting it. That's why this is also one of the business benefit. Teams are not fighting, so their communication and collaboration is better. So this is also a business benefit. And we can say that instead of fixing the issue, people will be innovative, human being will be innovative, teams will be innovative. They will implement the things better, faster, or quicker. This is also a business benefit. That's why the DevOps is available in every team. Cool. Everyone agree? Anyone has any question or anyone want to add the point? That is also acceptable. Please add the point. Anyone? All good?
Yeah.
Yes. Everyone? Yes, everyone. All good?
Yeah. Sure.
Yes, sir.
Cool. Thank you. Okay. Because of DevOps, solutions are faster. Okay. We will improve the performance. We will increase the efficiency. We will improve, or continuously we will do the improvements. Okay. And customer experience, because if any of the issue is happening, if it's tested multiple times, very less issues will happen. Failures will be very less. Okay. Rollbacks will be very less. If I will ask the question, what do you mean by rollback? Have you heard this keyword in your company? Rollback?
Yes.
What is that?
Yeah.
Go ahead. What is that?
Role.
Yes. Yes. What is that?
So whenever
Whenever
there
there is
any
batch.
upgrade to the application or something, so if any before that we'll take a backup of DB application and all, and if
Okay.
the upgrades or something fails, then we
Hmm.
need to roll back
Okay.
because
Let
we have a
assume you
runtime.
let assume you come up with a new version. That feature is not very good or stable into the environment. So we will go
Yeah.
back to the previous version. That is called rollback. Okay.
Yeah.
So if the application is tested multiple times automatically, okay, the rollbacks will be very less. Okay, means we don't have to reduce, we don't have to make the rollbacks also. When the Kubernetes will come, automatic rollbacks will happen. Okay, so I would like to say that these are the benefits. That's why the DevOps is getting adopted by a lot of companies. Cool. Thank you. Now we will understand some models. Okay, I hope you have everyone heard about these models: waterfall, agile, or the DevOps. Can anyone here explain me what is waterfall model? Go ahead, please.
It is a linear type of model, sir.
Correct. Yeah. Explain a little bit more. Yes. What will happen in this?
Yeah, things will happen like only one time.
One time, sir.
Correct. Let assume you get a requirement, you have to develop one software. Okay. And if you will follow the waterfall model, what will happen? You will say, okay, we need a 3 month of time to achieve this. And in this 3 month, you will take 2 weeks of time for the designing, 2.5 months, 2 weeks of the time for the designing purpose, 2 months of the time for the coding purpose, 15 days for testing, 15 days for deployment. Agree? Yes or no? And the biggest problem will happen if you get a 2 months of coding time. Do you feel that developers will write the code from the 2 months? They will write on the last week only. Agree?
Yes, sir.
I agree.
Right? Or let us assume if they're writing on the last week, okay, or in a hurry, they are providing something. If any problem happen in the testing, okay, testing will also not start on a day one. Okay, if they will say we have a 2 weeks of time, we will start after some days or something like that. Okay, and if the testing will be failed or some problem will happen, they will again go to the developer. They will quickly fix it and they will try to deploy it, but they will not get a proper time to check again and again. Agree? That's why this model has been failed in the IT or into the software development lifecycle. Guys, are you agree with my point? Yes or no? If someone will ask which model you are using, because this is also one of the technical interview question, which model you are using for software development lifecycle, never say waterfall in 2024. Okay? Agree, everyone?
Yeah.
Okay?
Right.
Yes,
Cool.
sir.
Okay. Now, then if we will not say waterfall model, what we will say? We will say agile. Same product, you get it 3 months of time. Okay. 1 week of designing, 1 week of test, 1 week of coding, 1 week of testing, and let's deploy within a 1 month. Okay. Whatever will be the output, if it's good, bad, or whatever it will be fix it, because again the coding time will get, again the testing time we will get it, or again the deployment time will come. Okay, not deployment, designing time will come. Multiple time coding, testing, design, multiple time coding, testing, and all this thing will happen. And within 3 months, with the help of agile, we will able to deploy into the environment. This is one of the very common way we are using it at this point. Can anyone tell me, if you are following the agile, what you will follow into the IT? Go ahead. 2 weeks of time. What is that? 2 weeks of time. What does it mean?
Sprint.
Sprint. Very good, Rutal. Okay, guys, we will call as a sprint. Okay, in your company, you will get a 2 weeks of time to perform the activity. Are you agree with my point?
Oh, yes.
Right?
Yes.
Remember, you are getting the sprint. You will get a 2 week of time to achieve the thing. Okay, and you will do the design, coding, and testing everything in 2 weeks, and then again you will do the same activity for the 3 months. What do you feel? Waterfall is better or agile is better?
Agile.
Agile, sir.
Agile is better, right? Because multiple time coding happen, multiple time design happen. Means if we are able to do one time activity here, at least we will do 6 to 8 times in the 3 months, right? Cool, good. But you know, guys, agile is also failed when the DevOps came. I'm 100% sure 80% people or 60% people are still using the agile. Can you please let me know in your company you are following the sprint or agile?
We are following sprint actually.
You are following the sprint. Yeah, that is agile. You are following the sprint. That is agile only. Correct?
Yeah, but there is one one not benefit like requirement changes multiple times.
Okay. So that is called designing. Na? That is called designing. Okay. Requirement changes happen. So it is called designing. Are you deploying any day, anytime in the into the production environment? Guys, tell me how many people are here who is making the deployment over the weekend, one part, or you are doing the deployment anytime? Which one you are doing? Write
On
into the chat
weekend.
box.
Actually, on
Over the weekend.
Anytime.
Anytime over the weekend, right? So whatever people are doing over the weekend, write into the weekend, or whoever is doing anytime, just time anytime. Okay, right? Weekend. If you guys are doing over the weekend, write anytime. If today also application develop, we will deploy today only. Venkat is telling anytime. Good. Okay. Weekend. Okay. Guys, we have only two choice: weekend or anytime. Write it into the chat box. Everyone, please, everyone. I will make the difference, guys. I will make the difference. Write it. If you will not write it, you will not get the difference. I want you to engage. Yes. Weekend, anytime, weekend. Okay, guys. If you are following the weekend, that is a good. That is a means little bit 2 years old approach. Okay, because nowadays also in the 2024 we are not waiting for the weekend. Why we are not waiting for the weekend? Because DevOps came into the picture. What DevOps or continuous deploy requirement of the DevOps came into the picture. What he is telling, make the design. Okay, if you're taking 1 week of time, make the design, write the code, whatever the code, or if one feature has been developed, make the testing of the one feature and then make the deployment of the one feature itself. Okay, same way, if you have a 3 months of time, as soon as the code has been written, you don't have to wait for 2 weeks. Do you feel that sometimes developer doesn't require 2 weeks of time to write the code? They can write in 2 hours also. Are you agree?
Yes.
Right? So if they are
Yeah.
able to write the code in 2 hours only, why we have to give for 2 week time? No need to give. Okay. So if the code has been written in 2 hours, make the testing in the next 1 hour, next 2 hours. Okay. And make it deploy over the 2 night itself. This is called continuous DevOps process. What is the benefit? As soon as the code is written, as it will be deployed, you will go and take the feedback from the customer itself. From the day one, you can take the feedback from the customer. If it's not good, not a problem. We will again design it. We will again write the code and we will again take the feedback and again we will deploy. So it will happen 20 times or 30 times in a 3 months of duration. Which one you feel better? Here the time waste is here the biggest time wasting is happening. Time duration was very big. Okay, no testing happened multiple times. Here in the it's okay if you're following the weekend. Yes, you will do the activity over the weekend. Whatever has been developed, you can deploy. But here you don't have to wait because you have a multiple environments, high availability, auto scaling. So many features are there, so you don't have to wait. You can deploy anytime. Guys, which one you feel better? DevOps is better in future perspective? Yes, no?
Yes.
Okay, there will be chances you might defense with me, sir. My company will not allow. It's okay, not allow in at this point, but in the future they have to allow. Okay, cool. Okay, now guys, spend some time, read this theory. Okay, we have already discussed this part. Okay, cool. Now DevOps roles and responsibilities will come into the picture. Okay, what DevOps engineer? If you want to become a DevOps engineer, you have to go into the system administration activities. Means you have to troubleshoot your machine. Okay, in terms of software. If you will able to troubleshoot your soft machine, okay, let's take an example for Windows. You have to troubleshoot. If any of the issue happen, don't go directly and restart it. No, that is not a good solution. Okay, but you can try to find out why the issue is happening. Let's take an example, very simple example. This is my machine. Okay, this is my lab. This is my machine task manager. In this task manager, somewhere you will able to see that Zoom is consuming 29 or 30% of my CPU or memory, right? Yes or no? Have you feel like that?
Yeah.
Yes.
Right? So because of Zoom only, let us assume because of Zoom only, my CPU and memory is consuming. Do you feel that if I will kill the Zoom, I will release my CPU and memory? Obviously, yes. Correct?
Yeah.
But
Yes.
I can't because this is my primary application. Because of that, our communication is happening, right? I
Yes,
can't
right.
kill this, right? So what is the solution? We have to optimize it, right? Instead of directly going into execution part, we have to understand, we have to, what we can say, we have to understand, we have to fix the things as well. This is what the system administration activity, installation, system administration activities will come into the picture. There may be chances some programming related things may come, but trust me, you don't have to write the code. You have to build the code and deploy the code will be work. Okay. Cloud management, yes, because now we are not playing into the on-premises part. On-premises is 80% vanished. Okay, it has been removed from the companies. Okay. or 70 to 80%, even 90%, cloud has been adopted by every company, every team. So yes, you have to be good into the cloud management activities. It can be anything. So, server creation, database creation, monitoring creation, application creation, database creation. It can be anything. You have to be play into the cloud management activity. If you know the cloud management activity, you will be a cloud engineer. Okay. If you will be experimental into the tools as well, you will be a DevOps engineer. If you know both the things properly, you will become a cloud and DevOps engineer. Make sense? So this can be your DevOps engineer's roles and responsibility, or you have to be aware about this part. Make sense, everyone?
Yeah.
Yes.
Everyone?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Everyone, let's at least write into the chat box,
Yes.
please. Everyone.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Yes,
You have to be aware about this all things. Okay. Nice. You have to good into the system administration activities. You have to good into the virtualization as well. Okay, I'm giving one homework, guys, to everyone. Okay, this virtualization should be enabled in your laptop. Okay, whatever the laptop you are using, go to the Google, go to the YouTube, and enable the virtualization. We will use it after 15 days, but enable it. Okay, good. Now, how to enable it? The question, go to the YouTube, you will get the answer. Okay, based on your laptop. Okay, good. So virtualization, because of this, what we can say here, virtualization enable, you will able to play with the virtualization as well. That is our work. Okay, so I will teach you in your local machine. Definitely, I will teach you into the cloud as well. Okay, hands-on experiment into the networking and storage part. No need to worry. I will teach you that also. Okay, high level of coding will be required. I will teach you. No need to worry. Okay, soft skill or skills, you have to talk, you have to be talkative. If you will talk with me, okay, every day you will become a talkative person. Okay, that also I will teach you. Agree? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Talk with
Yes,
me,
yes.
please. Okay, at the end of the session, starting of the session, please talk. Okay, so that you will learn how to talk. Okay, good. You have to understand the automation. We will make a lot of automation. I will teach to you. Okay, testing knowledge, manual testing, you can watch one video, and manual testing you will learn. Automation, I will teach to you. Okay, security related thing, I will teach to you. You don't have to worry. And this all are our day-to-day DevOps activities are there. Okay, virtualization activity, system administration related activity, any failure, any success, network related issues, coding related issue, developer is asking some help, talking, discussions, automations, testing, automations, security related thing. This all can be our DevOps activities. Okay, and if I will teach you 5 point for everything, you have to say only 5 point overall. Excellent? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Nice. Now, how the DevOps work in an automated way? Okay, we feel that everything is automated. Yes, everything is automated. How? Okay, if you will see here, this image. Okay, this is how we have to develop at the end of 15-20 days. Okay, or as soon as our Jenkins will get complete. Okay, we have to be aware about it. Means in the month of September, we will develop everything and we will do this practical. Okay, how exactly it will happen? Multiple developers sitting into any of the remote location, as soon as they will push the code into the centralized location GitHub with the help of tool Git, means as soon as they will return the code, push into the centralized location, what will happen? Jenkins will pick that code, okay, understand that code, create a build, okay, do the Selenium testing, and whatever the build image has been developed, that image has been deployed with the help of Docker into the Kubernetes environment. Means your application has been written, code has been written by the developer. As soon as developer push the code, development work finish. Okay, everything automatically will be deployed into the Kubernetes environment or AWS, GCP, Azure, anywhere. As soon as the application will be deployed into any of the infrastructure, now infrastructure creation is also automated. Means how the Kubernetes will get created. We have a Terraform, we have an Ansible tool. Kubernetes will also get created automatically. If the infra is created, how it will be work into the future operation part, we will deploy the automation tool or we will deploy the monitoring tool, Prometheus and Grafana also, so that continuous monitoring and management will come. Means what I would like to say that code management will come. Okay, I will teach you the code management. I will teach you the continuous testing process. I will teach you the continuous deployment process. I will teach you the containerization or virtualization process. I will teach you the continuous management process, and I will teach you the continuous monitoring process. We have to understand this all process practically. Then only you will become a DevOps engineer, or then only you will be eligible to get 30 or 40 or 50 lakh package. Make sense? Cool. Everyone agree?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Anyone here in out of 50, you 50, okay? Can anyone able to explain this, or in your company is this already happening? Anyone want to say? Or anyone already have an idea about this part?
Yes, sir. Actually, in our company, not every, once in 2 days, they they push the codes into the version control code, a version
Very
control system called Git, and
Very
after
good.
that, they will do some testing.
They will
By the
not, no,
tester.
they will not do. They will not do test. Okay, the testers will do after the deployment. Testers will do the testing. Okay, but unit testing will happen automatically. Venkatesh, you can say your company work. Okay, I will add
Yeah.
you the best practices inside it. Fine.
Yeah, okay.
Guys, everyone listen what is happening into the Venkatesh company. Okay, and I will put the best practices. Yes, go ahead. As soon as developer push the code into the centralized location GitHub, okay, then
Yeah, and after that, the tester will take care, pull that code, and they do some testing part, and after that,
wait. The Jenkins will come into the picture automatically.
Yeah,
This thing can
correct.
also be automated. Okay.
Yes,
Cool.
yes.
Continue.
And after that, they will, the DevOps engineer, they contain,
Containerization.
yeah, they do some containerization, and after that, using some Helm chart kind of that, they will push that code into that Kubernetes.
Very good. Wait. Okay, guys, he already came here. I will tell you. Okay, as soon as developer push the code into the centralized location, Jenkins will come into the picture. He will he will take the code. He will make the build. He will make the automation testing, unit testing, or whatever the type of testing will happen. Testing will happen, and then with the help of Docker, the image will be get created. If multiple images, let's assume 10, 100,000 images are there, then it will get deployed into the Kubernetes environment. Either you can deploy manually, or in the Venkatesh company, they are doing the deployment with the help of Helm. That is the advanced technology, and I will take care of that. Cool. Okay, continue, Venkat.
And after that, they doing some monitoring using
Cool.
this Grafana.
Very good. I will also do the same monitoring with Prometheus and Grafana. Good. Yes.
And after that, that's what I will.
Okay, fine. Fine. If any issue
That's much what
happen,
are you?
cool.
Yeah.
That's okay. It's enough. Okay. How much experience you have, Venkatesh?
Sir, I have 8 years, sir.
Good. Okay. Means I will take the beyond 8 years experience. Okay. Whatever you did in your real time. Okay. I will teach beyond that.
We also use this
All right.
architecture.
Okay. Ayush, go ahead. What you're telling?
We also use this architecture,
You also using this architecture. Very good. Okay.
but
Fine.
the tools are different.
Which tool? Which tool?
So in place of Jenkins, we have actions now.
Okay. Fine. It's chargeable. Okay. See, action is chargeable. Okay.
Yeah.
What
and
else?
In place of Grafana, we have Sysdig, and we have a Artifactory, means the artifact repository management tool.
Okay. What is that? Which one you are using?
Artifactory.
Artifactory with Nexus or what?
JFrog. Artifactory.
JFrog. Okay. JFrog. Okay. Fine. Acceptable.
And we use Terraform for
Yeah.
provisioning.
Correct. For provisioning the
Splunk for
infrastructure.
logging.
Good. Splunk I have already. I will teach you the Splunk also. I will teach with the help of Terraform as well. Okay. GitHub action and what you told, GitHub action I will not take care. The reason is it is chargeable. Okay.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
Jenkins is thousands times better than the any other tool. Okay.
It's open
Cool.
source. So
It's open source, freely available, right? Cool. But architecture or the way will be same. Tool can
yeah,
be
it's the
replaced.
same.
Let's assume in 2030, this tool
In
can be
place of
replaced by.
Selenium, we use SonarQube.
Correct, possible. Okay, we can make any of the integration. Guys, but the flow will be same. Okay, trust me, all 50 people, we all work in a different company, but flow will be same. Okay, cool. And we will develop the same thing in the upcoming days. Okay. There are some 6 C's process. Okay, continuous integration, continuous testing, continuous delivery, deployment, monitoring, and business planning. We have to be aware about it. Take as a homework, guys, take as a homework. explore these keywords from today itself. Okay, I'm 100% sure we can't explore everything in one day. CI for 1 week, CT for 1 week, CD for 1 week, and CD and CDD for 1 week, continuous monitoring for 1 week. I am following the same thing. One week, I will teach you everything and I will make a cloud and DevOps engineer. Make sense? Cool. And
Sure.
at this point, we are doing the business planning. Okay, theory thing, business planning, we are doing it. Okay. Good. So these are the 6C processes which we have to follow to become cloud and DevOps engineer. And this will happen in every company, every software development life cycle. Okay, good. Now we have already discussed. Guys, tell me the answer. Which one is the tool used for the planning? We have already discussed. Most of the common tool, very common tool.
Jira.
Jira.
Most of the
Jira.
people are using. If someone will ask which tool you are using, you have to
Trello.
say Jira.
Hmm.
You can say other tool also, not a problem. But if you will ask, you have to be answerable. Okay, you can
Got
say
it.
any of the tool. Okay, but it should be answerable. Okay, Jira is very simple. 70% companies are using it. Good. Now, for the coding purpose, as a DevOps engineer, which
Visual
tool?
Visual Studio.
Visual Studio Code. Okay, why? Because it can understand any language of the code. Okay, doesn't matter C, Java, .NET Plus, anything we can open and use it with the help of this tool. Good. For the build, if it's a Java code, then
Maybe
Maven. If it's a
Maven.
Python code, then
not required any
not required. Okay, good. Okay, for testing,
Selenium.
Selenium. Most
Selenium.
of the companies are using the Selenium. JMeter, JUnit, JUnit, Aptum, these are also tools, but this will be explored into the testing profile. Okay, not for DevOps or like that. Okay, cool. That will be a testing job work. Okay, cool. For the release, Jenkins is the most popular tool which has to be used, and most of the companies are using it. Okay, for the deployment purpose, with the help of Jenkins, with the help of
Docker.
containerization technology, we can deploy into the Kubernetes environment, we can deploy into the AWS, or we can deploy into the Google Cloud as well. Make sense? Right? Operating tool, how the infrastructure has been created. Terraform and Ansible are the most popular tool available to make the infrastructure creation or platform creation. Okay, Chef and Puppet was also available, but 5 years back, this tool were using it. If currently in your company, Chef and Puppet is using it, try to replicate with the Terraform or Ansible. It's a big project for you. It's a good achievement for you. Try to do that because I will teach you with the help of Terraform and Ansible. Cool. For monitoring purpose, most of the companies, if it's a Kubernetes environment, Prometheus and Grafana is the first choice always. If you're completely into the AWS, Amazon CloudWatch is the first choice most of the people have. And if for the logging purpose, Splunk is the most popular option or solution available for the monitoring purpose. Okay, Nagios, App Dynamics, and so many other tools are also available. But our focus area will be Prometheus, Grafana, Splunk, and CloudWatch. I will teach you all these 4 tools. Cool. Yep.
Yes.
Okay. This is all the DevOps tool which we have to understand it. Guys, this is what I would like to say about the DevOps as a theory part. Are you ready for implementation part? Because theory is done, now the implementation will come. What do you say?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, cool. Okay,
Yes.
so now, guys, if you want to discuss anything for the DevOps, we can discuss, okay? Or we can take 5-minute break and then we will move into the Linux part. So we have an overall 5-minute time we want to discuss or we'll discuss this. Let's first come up with a question and answer. What you feel that theory part we have covered up, okay? If you have anything in your mind you want to ask, please feel free to ask with me. Go ahead. Anyone want to ask? Aditya, Amit, Anjali.
So just one question.
Go ahead, Prashant.
So just one question. So like I'm using right now on-premises environment for application deployment.
Okay.
Now, you just explained, like we have to use Docker, Kubernetes, and some AWS part as well, right?
Correct.
So,
correct.
so yesterday I was not there, so I'm not sure whether it has been discussed or not. But why, if
okay.
we have a AWS option, like to create a EC2 machines and all, then why we need a Docker and Kubernetes? Is it cheaper or it is faster than
Chalo. Okay,
EC2?
okay. Chalo. I would like to defend your question. Can you speak up your question? If we can develop from the UI, right? DEVELOP develop from UI. Why we are developing with some other tool? Correct. This is your question.
No. If we are using, if we have an option for AWS EC2
Huh?
machine to create a server, and we can deploy our code and all those things in the directly to the Unix server, right? Instead of going for Docker and Kubernetes.
See,
So why
okay,
are we
chalo,
using?
let us assume. Chalo, I have an answer.
Mm.
Is this question, if we can create a virtual machine with the help of EC2, okay, why we are going into the Kubernetes? Correct? This is your question?
Yes.
Chalo, good question. Chalo, I will remove this. Guys, who want to give the answer? Try.
Sir, I wanted to say like EC2 will only manage one OS, but
Correct.
in Kubernetes we can handle multiple kind of OS,
Okay.
and
Okay.
they will manage like orchestration.
Okay. Acceptable point. Chalo, what else? Go ahead. Another person.
If can we deploy on EC2, we can set up the network volumes configurations. But
Okay.
when it is come to the Kubernetes, it is automatically containerization part. It
I
is
can say that if it's a EC2 machine
We can use
virtualization, 90% of the thing manually we have to take care. In the Kubernetes, everything is automated. Chalo, one
yes.
point. Okay, what else?
It is because the containers all comes to the dependency. It is all the packages, everything. Only
Okay.
we have to take the
Guys,
only software
okay,
coding
guys,
part.
come to the main point. Okay, come to the main answer directly. Go ahead.
so
Main
we
answer.
can use
Hmm.
EC2 resources in VM EC2 machine.
Chalo, my turn. Okay.
Sir.
Everyone here, my turn here. Netflix. Have you heard about the Netflix?
Yeah.
Right? Everyone, Netflix number
Yes.
of containers. Okay. CONTAINERS. Okay. Can you guess it? How much containers are getting used every day, kind of thing? The number is coming 3 million containers per week. Their Netflix is using it. Right? Yes or no? Answer is in front of you.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Is that possible? 3 millions of virtual machine can be get created. 3
Not
million
possible.
Not at
virtual
all.
EC2.
Not possible.
Right? Netflix will be solved in 1 hour only if they will create 3 millions of EC2 machines. Correct? Are you agree?
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes.
If
Yes.
our user base is very big, okay, we need lot of machines, lot of servers, lot of images, containers. We can't use the EC2. Okay, EC2 is for 3-tier architecture application. If we have a bigger users case, okay, if we are moving with the containers, lightweight applications, okay. Why 3 million containers? Because 3 million users are available into the Netflix who are watching the movie, correct? And Netflix is providing a separate environment for everybody, right? You are watching some another movie, I am watching some other movie. So I have a separate environment, you have a separate environment. Are you agree? Yes or no?
Yes.
He is not making the broadcast, he is giving the personalized environment to you, right? So personalized environment we can create with the help of EC2, but 3 millions of EC2 machines we cannot create. Practically impossible. That's why we have to move into the KTS set. Got it? Prashant, got my point? Prashant, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right? And another thing is management of 2 to 5 machine or 10 machine is possible. Beyond 10 machine or 20 machine is very difficult to manage. Okay. So Kubernetes has a lot of features who will automate the things. Rollback, auto healing, so many different features are available into the Kubernetes. And I will make it everything in front of you. You don't have to worry. Okay. By the way, nice question. Okay, good. Can we take a small break, guys? One more. Okay, go ahead. What is the question?
That question, or can you repeat, like, what is the exact use
I
case?
have written the question. His question
No.
is EC2 versus KTS. What is this is his question.
No, but what context? I mean, for what?
Prashant,
we were-
go ahead. What context this question?
So I was asking, like, I'm using right now Linux machine in an on-premise environment, not AWS or Azure. So right to the machine, but now
I'm not getting your voice properly.
Virtual machine to the Kubernetes or Docker. Instead, we have already option for virtualization as well as AWS machines. So that was my question.
Nagaraj, you understood the syntax?
Get it?
Actually, in between it was broken.
It was broken. So I will give you opportunity at the last. Prashant, Nagaraj, you can talk at the last. Okay? I will be in between. I will help you out.
Sure,
Okay? Chalo. Guys, let's take a 2-minute break. Okay? Everyone. Okay? Because we are changing the topic. Okay? We are going to start the Linux. Take a 2-minute break and everyone come back quickly within the next 2 minutes. Okay? Because we have to start the new topic, Linux. Please go ahead. First, it's a bio break, water bottle, whatever you want to do it in the next 2 minutes. Guys, time is up and I hope everyone is back. Can you confirm quickly? Confirm,
Yes, sir.
confirm,
Yeah.
confirm.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. And welcome to the day 4. In the today's session or upcoming next complete 1 week, we are going to learn the Linux. Okay. The intention of teaching you the Linux is if you don't know any technical stuff. Okay. You have a 2 years experience, 3 years, 5-year experience, but you don't know the technical stuff. With the help of this 1 week, your complete non-technical experience will become the technical part. Cool? Fine? Yes, no.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you. Chalo. Now let's start our day. Okay. We are going to discuss a lot of things into this. Okay. I will teach you a lot of Linux administration activities also in the tomorrow class, obviously, but we will take the overview in the today's class and we will create the account from the tomorrow class and we will go ahead. Okay? I will like to explain you what exactly the operating system Linux, why Linux is popular, comparison between Windows and Linux, multiple possible ways to create the Linux, Unix, and so many things into this upcoming days. Okay. And after that, we will take care of the shell scripting part as well. Now, I would like to give an opportunity to you. What is Linux? Simple answer, guys. Go ahead. Because first we have to take our level up, current level, and then I will take it beyond that. Yes. Guys, if you have a background noise, please don't unmute. Please go ahead. Go ahead. What is Linux? Go ahead, everyone. Everyone. What is Linux? Simple.
Unix-like operating system.
Operating system. Okay, write everything, everyone. It's an operating system into the chat box. Then write operating system into the chat box, please. Everyone. Go ahead, guys. Fast, write it.
Linux is a kernel.
Yep, Linux is not an operating system. Okay, Guys, don't say it's an operating system. Still, if you are thinking it's an operating system, you are wrong. Okay. You can say it's a kind of operating system, but don't say it's an operating system into the interview. He will reject you. Okay. Linux is an open source kernel, a kind of operating system we can see. Okay. It's a community developed. What do you mean by community developed? Developed by multiple people, not developed by single people. Okay. It is very secure as compared to any other operating system or any other kernel. Very stable and very good into the performance wise, that is Linux. Okay. And we are going to understand the Linux administration activities over the Linux environment. Okay, cool. Before going into that part, I would like to understand with you, what do you mean by operating system? Right? What do you mean by operating system? What is operating system? What is operating system? Go ahead.
A software which manages hardware and other applications.
Good. Very good, Nagraj. Anyone else? Repeat the answer or give something new. What is operating system?
Operating
System
system
hardware
is a
which
system software.
manages CPU memory and storage.
Yeah, okay, but not an interview level answer. But Gautam has written the very good answer into the chat box. Guys, read it. What Gautam has written. Gautam Agnihotri has written something. What he has written?
Interface between hardware and application.
Correct. Okay. Chalo. Now let me explain. Okay. This is hardware, right? CPU, memory, disk. This is my laptop hardware. Yes or no? GPU, Wi-Fi. These are the hardwares. Correct?
Right.
Right. These all are my hardware. This hardware is getting consumed by these applications. Correct? Or these softwares. Google Chrome is the application software, desktop, Zoom. These are the application or softwares, right? This software is consuming my hardware. Are you agree?
Yes.
Right? That's why the Gautam answer is very correct. It's an interface between hardware and application. Yes, it's a middle layer between the hardware and the software. Okay, this software is consuming my hardware. How is able to consume my hardware? Because there is a middleware, middle person or system software is available who is helping him to consume the resources of the hardware. My Chrome, if my Chrome directly cannot consume the hardware, not possible. It's an interface which operating system is providing to us between hardware and application. Okay, user, you will use the application, but indirectly you are using the hardware only. If your hardware is good, then only your application performance will be better. So what is operating system? Operating system is a system software that manages computer hardware, software, and provide the common services to the computer program or computer application. Operating system is the most important software that's run on your computer. Operating system is must. Without operating system, your application will not work. Are you agree? Yes or no?
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
It manage means
Yeah.
operating system manages the memory, process, CPUs or hardware related utilization thing is managed by the operating system. Okay, cool. Okay. Now, Linux, I can say one of the variety of operating system, but don't say operating system, it's a kernel. Okay, kernel will be the very correct answer. OS is also an acceptable answer. Okay, Linux is open source. Very first keyword is coming into my mind in my language, open source. Why it is open source? Because the code of Linux is available into the GitHub. Guys, you are able to see Linux is code is available into the GitHub. Are you agree? Right? Here the
Yeah.
code of Linux is available. Okay. You can save it in your notepad or anywhere. The code of Linux is available into this place. Okay. Cool. Now, second thing, it's a community developed. Community developed means, can anyone tell me community developed? Developed by multiple people, right? Multiple people means how much is the count?
People.
The count is 15,500 and 500 different developers has written the code of this operating system or this Linux. 15,000 different developers has written the code. Now the question is, in which language the Linux has been developed? Which language?
C.
C language.
C.
C. Everyone agree? How
Yes.
much
C.
percentage into the C? How much percentage into the C?
Approximately 98%.
Right, guys.
98.
Everyone, right. Everyone into the chat box. I know a lot of people don't know, and lot of people has learned from me only. Okay, in the demo class. Okay, yep, cool. Okay, 94%. How we will get to know that 94 or 98% of the C language? If you will come here, 98.4% written into the C language. And what we can say, Python is 0.2, assembly language is 0.7, shell is 0.4, like this. The Linux code has been written into the C language. Do you think that it is calculated manually? No, automatically. GitHub has this feature. He will automatically find out the detail and he will show it to us. Do you feel that manually people are maintaining it? No. Anyone from over the world, you can write the code. Guys, correct me if I'm wrong, okay? From anywhere, if you want to develop any of the new feature into the Linux, it's an open source. You can develop a new feature, give it to them. They will verify your code and they will publish into the actual Linux next version as well. If you have a capability, you can write the code. Yes, you can do that also. Agree? That's why this 15,000 developer has been become, and they are the contributor for the Linux language, right? Linux operating system. Agree?
Yeah.
Everyone?
Yeah.
Cool. Okay. So
Yes.
1 point, open source, because of the code is available into the market. Community, multiple people has developed that language. Okay. And that is a kernel used into the computers, servers, mainframe, mobile devices, embedded devices, and so many other things. It supports, guys, Madhu, Prashant, mute yourself if you're not talking, Ravi. Okay. It supports almost all major computer platform. Okay, where it's include Intel as well as it include the ARM processors as well. There are two types of processors are available primarily into the market: Intel and ARM processor. Linux work in both. Make it most widely supported operating system. If 15,000 developers are there, if any issue happen, they are ready to support you as well. Okay, so that's why we can call it a very supported operating system. Now, important point or some parking point, I would like to say that the design of Linux is very similar to Unix. I don't want to discuss that in the today's session, but Linux is very similar to the Unix. We will discuss. Okay, and yep, it's used into the supercomputer managers, hardware, supercomputer phones, and everywhere as well. Okay, there are so many operating systems are available into the market. Here, there is a awesome OS repository into the GitHub where so many operating systems are available. Okay, Front9, AROS, AMD, Minimal, so many operating systems are available into the market. Out of that, one is the Linux. Okay, in the popular, you can see one is the Linux available. Make sense? Yes or no? There are so many operating systems are available. Out of that, one is the Linux, which is very popular. Got it? This is the repo link I given into the chat box. You can have a look. You can just open it and have a look into this, please. Okay. Cool. And this is the Linux repo I already given to you. Okay. Now the question is why Linux is very popular. I want your help. Please help me out. Why the Linux is very popular. One of the simple interview question for the fresher. Go ahead. Wait, guys. Answer. Aditya, Amit, first.
Free and open source is one.
Free. Linux is free and open source. That's why most of the people are using it. Good answer. Chalo. Okay. What else? It's very, very secure as compared to Windows operating system, right? Cool. What else?
Performance.
Performance of the Linux as compared to any other operating system is very good. Vikas sir, can you prove it? Yes, I can prove that also. Let's see my machine, guys. At this point, my machine has a 23 GB of RAM, 24 GB of RAM. Are you agree? Yes or no?
Yes.
My machine has a 24 GB of RAM. Out of 24 GB, how much my application is consuming? I go into the memory. 2 GB is consuming by this process. 1.4 GB is consuming by Chrome, and 1 GB is consuming by Zoom, we can say. So I can understand 2, 3, or max 4 GB is consuming by my primary application, right? Or one more is 5 GB. Maximum 5 GB memory is consuming by my applications. Agree? Guys, are you agree?
Yes.
5 GB is consuming at this point with my applications. Okay. Then the overall users is 12 GB. 12 GB minus 5. 8 GB. Who is consuming it? Who is eating my 8 GB of RAM?
Operating
system.
Right? Means I can say my Windows operating system is eating my 8 GB of RAM. Okay. if I will use the similar application into the Linux, right? If I will use the similar application into the Linux, 2 GB RAM is more than enough for me. Okay, I am wasting my lot of hardware resources thing because of the Windows operating system. Are you agree with my point? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Right? And do you feel that Windows is stable? We can consider that it is stable, but it's not very stable as compared to Linux. Linux is very popular because one thing, free of cost, no need to purchase the license. Open source, you can download the code, you can edit the code, you can change the code, and you can create your own operating system also is possible. Okay. Now, chalo, let's come here. If I want to download the code of the Linux, how to download it? Can anyone tell me how to download the code?
Click on that code option,
Code.
drop
Click on
down
the
list,
code, correct. And yep.
Download zip or
download zip or
Okay, cool. Guys, can you write into the chat box how to download this code? Go ahead, write into the chat box. Everyone, please. Everyone, write into the chat box, please. Or if you are telling me to download, click on this zip file, type zip into the chat box. If you want me to use this option, tell me, teach me. I don't know, but teach me. Give me the answer into the chat box. Everyone. Everyone. Please, everyone. Please, everyone. Guys, it's for everyone, not for 1 or 2%. Everyone. Cool. I can able to see lot of students are telling git clone option. Some people are telling the zip. Guys, if you are telling the click on this zip, if you will say this point into the interview, okay, interview will reject you. Okay, he will understand that you are a non-technical person. That's why you are using this option. So never use this option if you are a technical person. If you are a non-technical person, acceptable. But if you are a technical person, don't use this option. Okay, and I want you to become a technical person, so I will use this approach. Okay, what I'm doing it, you all have this repo. Okay, you all have this repo. Okay, go to this repo. There is a code option and there is a this option. Okay, this means I just copy the link. What I will do it, I'm going into my machine. Okay, in my machine, I'm creating a new folder. Okay, new folder. The folder is ABC. Okay, anything. You can create any folder. You can go inside the folder. And then as soon as you will go inside it, right click and open the bash. You don't have the bash, no need to worry. I will teach you. Okay, but I'm just opening in front of you. Okay, I just open this git terminal. Okay, and some people has given the answer git clone. I just typing the answer git clone. Clone means download the code with the help of git from this location. And as soon as I press enter, the code is cloning or downloading in my machine. Getting my point? Yes or no?
Yes.
Everyone?
Yeah.
This is the approach. Okay, you can download the code. The code is very big, 3%, 4% is downloaded. As soon as the 100% code will be downloaded, what is the next step? Right click, open with the Visual Studio Code, do the changes. Okay, if you are a developer, do the changes, create a new feature and give it to them also. Possible? Yes or you can customize your own operating system and sell it into the market. Agree? If you have a knowledge, right? Yes or no?
Yes, definitely.
Right?
Yeah.
If you have a knowledge, yes, you can do that also. And that is already done by, I'm not telling you, this is already done by this many different operating system people. Okay. Here, the idea has been taken care from some other operating system and the created as a new operating system. Okay. If you have a capability, you can sell, so you can sell also. Possible. Okay. This many different operating systems are available in front of you. The idea is very similar. He has downloaded the code, created the new feature, added the new feature, change whatever you want, and the operating system is ready to sell it or ready to publish also. Okay, cool. Stable, very much stable as compared to other operating system. Okay, performance was very good, very secure. Okay, as compared to other operating system, open source and free. That's why the Linux is very good. Okay, cool. Now let's compare a little bit between Windows and Linux. Guys, go ahead. It's your turn. Go ahead, compare it, Windows and Linux, please, quickly. Quickly, fast. And I would like to wind up all the theory part by today. Okay, tomorrow start forward practicals. Go ahead, yes. Windows is licensed, yes, okay.
It's
Guys,
commercial. Windows is
Windows
commercial.
is UI based.
Windows is UI based. Okay, what about others? Is I'm asking tough question? Guys, it's not a tough question, okay? Windows is one of the most
OS
popular.
can't be optimized. OS
Now,
can't be customized here.
my turn. Okay, Windows is also one of the most popular operating system, simplest operating system we can say. If any person who knows how to read and write the basics of English, he can able to use the Windows operating system. Not special, none of the special training is required for the Windows operating system. Okay, and now the question is how the Windows works, means how to install the Windows operating system. Can anyone give me the answer? Have you purchased the laptop without operating system?
No.
Why? You can purchase without operating system also. Windows is Linux, what we can say license version. In India, they will sell it with the crack version, okay? But do you know, without installing the operating system also into the laptop or into the hardware, it works into the DOS. Have you heard about this keyword, DOS?
Yeah, DOS one.
Have you heard? Yes, what is
Yes.
that? What is this? Yes. What is
Disk
this?
operating system.
Hard disk operating system, okay? What does it mean?
But it runs in BIOS mode or something. I'm not sure.
Correct. Something related to BIOS. Yes, agree.
Yeah.
Answer, guys, everyone. I know you don't know. See, you are learning the servers, right? If you don't know your machine, it will be very difficult. First, I'm teaching your machine, then I will take you into the servers. Yes. What is DOS? Go ahead.
Recording in progress.
Viraj, background noise, mute yourself. Yes. What is DOS? It's a DIX operating system. If we will not put our hardware come on the DIX operating system, first this will be available. Then you have an opportunity to install Windows or Linux, whatever you want. Okay. So indirectly, we have a two operating system in our machine. Okay. One is DOS and another is a Windows or Linux, whatever you are using. Okay. Cool. Yeah. Okay. And this DOS has been installed into the memory. Okay. This is installed into the memory. That's why the memory consumption is required. Okay. Cool. Now, Linux. What is Linux? One of the most popular version of Unix. Again and again, Unix came. Okay. Park it for a couple of minutes. Okay. Which is also one of the open source freely available into the market. It's free to use. Design of the Linux is very similar to Unix. Okay. Park it, Unix, okay, but you can understand that Linux is very similar to Unix, okay, or it consider that it's very similar to the Unix only, okay, and it's very similar to the Unix, okay, and I'm not telling what is Unix, just parking for a couple of minutes, but it is very similar to Unix, okay, cool. Let's compare it. What exactly the Linux and Windows? Linux is what we can say free open source. Windows is a license version. Linux is more efficient as compared to Windows. Linux use the forward slash. Windows use the backward slash. Linux is highly secure as compared to Windows. These are the some difference between which fresher has to be get asked into the interview. Okay, cool. Now I would like to come directly into the practical side. Okay, there are so many ways available into with us. We can create a Linux operating system. Okay, as it is a day one of the Linux, I would like you to use the free open source option. Okay, that is called Playground. What is Playground or what is tools? There is a one tool available into the market. The tool name is MobaXtream. With the help of this tool, what we can do it, we can run the Linux terminal in our machine, or we can say the very similar server into the Linux machine. Okay, so there is a multiple options available. There is a Playground. What do you mean by Playground? Can anyone tell me the answer? What do you mean by Playground? English meaning of Playground?
Yeah, it's for live environment where we can access the to play with the some of the technologies.
Correct. Web ground, okay, where you want whatever you want to do it and leave it like this. Okay. Yes, we have a Playground where we can learn the Linux also. So I will start the thing with the Playground and tools in the today's session. Okay. If you are with the laptop, well and good. If not, no need to worry. Just watch it, and from tomorrow onwards, you have to move completely into the laptop side. Agree, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Okay.
Yeah.
And the tomorrow agenda is we will create a Google Cloud account also in the tomorrow class. So the dependency is To create a Google Cloud account, we need a credit card as well. Okay, or which has an international transaction enabled. Okay, I will give you the pre-request one image, okay, into the WhatsApp group, so that what will happen, you will able to get that detail ready for the tomorrow class. Okay, I will give you that detail. That is on my hand, no need to worry. Okay, but today I would like you to create a playground with me. Okay, let's create it in front of everyone. I'm coming into this link. See my screen first. Okay, I'm coming into this link, labs.play with Docker. Means we have a tool Docker. Docker is telling there is a Docker playground, but it is running on the Linux environment, and we can learn the Linux into this place also. Okay, so I came here, and any one of you, please give me your email ID so that I will create an account for you in front of everyone. Any one of you, write your email ID into the chat box, please. Give me your email ID. Cool. I get a lot of email ID. Okay, guys, you have to, I given one link, labs.playwithdocker.com. Nagraj, I'm creating an account for you. Don't create by own. Okay, you can see my screen.
Okay.
Okay, guys, you have to go into this link. You have to click on the login. You have to click on the Docker. As soon as you will click on the Docker, there is a one tab will come. Okay, this tab will say create an account with the help of Docker. Okay, this is the tab is coming. Okay, if you want, I can give you this link also into the chat box. Okay, or I will write in front of you so that it will be very simple for you. Okay, either you can go here or either you can go here. Okay, both the links are fine. Okay, after that you will come here. What you have to do it? You are here. Okay, you have to put the email address. I am taking the Nagraj email address. If the Nagraj don't have the account, we will create the account for the Nagraj in front of everyone. I just provided the email. No, I have to click on the sign up. You have to click on the sign up. As soon as you will click on the sign up page will be available. Okay, you have to put your email ID into this place. You have to put the username. So what I'm putting it before @ whatever it is, it can be your username. Okay. Now you have to put the password. You can put any password. I'm providing the password. Okay. I provided the password. Select the option, this option, so that what will happen? Any of the new occasional or any of the new product announcement will be there. You will get it, and you have to click on the sign up. As soon as you will click on the sign up, he is asking what is hydrant. Okay, 1 is hydrant, 2 hydrant, 3 hydrant, 4 hydrant. Okay. I just selected this, okay, and I just click on the verify. Okay, traffic light, I just selected this. Okay. Next, bus, verify. My God, bus. There is bus, man. 5, 2, 3, verify. Guys, everyone create an account. I get stuck into this place. My God, let me listen with him. Okay. Anyone able to create an account? One second. My God, your computer network will be sending automated queries to the. They have blocked me. Okay, because I tried multiple times. Anyone who is doing it? Share your screen. Guys, who is doing it? Completed. Wait. Yeah, share your screen, please. Share your screen. Yes. What you have to do it, guys, as soon as you will provide the email ID, okay, verification happen, and this type of page will happen. Docker and authorization will happen. You just click on the accept. Click on the accept. Yes. As soon as you will click on the accept, what will happen? What happened? You have stopped your screen, buddy?
No, it's on.
Share the screen again, please.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, guys, wait. As soon as you will click here, no need to verify. Leave it. Yeah. Okay. As soon as you will come here, In place of login, the start button is coming. Click on the start. As soon as you will click on the start, come down, one terminal will be open for you. And this is called playground. What exactly it is? This is the playground. In this playground, guys, creating an instance or creating a virtual machine is just one click. Okay. How to do that? Just click on add new. Just click on add new. Just click on the add new. Just as soon as you will click on the add new, one Linux terminal has been open in front of you. Guys, everyone able to understand? Everyone able to see this thing?
Yes.
Right? If I will tell Mohammed Akru, create one more machine, how you will can create it? Just click on the add new instance and one more machine has been created. Yes, click on that. And this type of playground means now he has created the two machines. So the machine creation over the playground is just a one click. Getting my point? Yes or no?
Yeah, it's done. Yeah.
Right? Cool. You have to create an account, verify your account, and you will able to use over this playground. Okay, cool. Thank you. Thanks a lot, Mohammed, for sharing the screen. Okay, and I'm taking the screen back. Okay, and I'm sharing my screen. Yes, what you have to do it, you have to go to this account, click on the sign up. Okay, I will write it everything SIGN sign up. Okay, as soon as you will sign up, authorize will come, AUTHORISE authorize, and then you have to just click on the new instance, and then it will be your instance will be get created. Agree? I'm giving you this step into the chat box. You have to follow only this and it will work. Okay, so let me see that if I'm able to run it in my environment or not. Okay, I'm going in my personal environment. Okay, and I'm going to the play with Docker, play DOC Docker playground. Guys, if you're not able to remember this URL, no need to worry. You can go to the Docker playground into the Google. Just type it. Login option will come. Next time, after creation of the account, it will come like this: login, Docker. And then after that, you have to select it. You have to provide your username, continue. You have to provide your password, continue. And as soon as you will provide your username and password, this start button should come. How many people are able to see this start button? Please confirm into the chat box. Start.
Yes.
Everyone able to see this start button? Just
Yes,
type
sir.
as into the chat box. Please, everyone. Everyone, good. Guys, if you are getting the start button, just click on the start button. Okay, one terminal will be open. Okay, this will be available for the next 4 hours to you. Okay, means whatever you want to do for the 4 hours, you can play in this playground. Okay, now how to create an instance? It's just a one click. As soon as you will click on this place, okay, one node has been created. Guys, I need an answer from you guys. I requested for the instance and I get a node. What do you mean by instance and node? One of the technical interview question. What is the difference between instance and node? Go ahead. I requested for the instance and I'm getting node. Why? Answer, everyone, try it. No, Abhishek, no.
It is just an image, like it's an instance is created in a particular at the moment of the image. While we creating that, click on the instance.
No, I haven't understood. Can anyone else? Guys, listen my question. Okay. Madhu, mute. Guys, whoever's background noise, please don't unmute. Okay. I requested, listen my question properly. I am clicking on the add new instance. As soon as I click on the instance, I'm getting a node. Why? I requested for the instance. He has to provide the instance to me. Why is providing a node to me? This is my question.
Node is the environment to do something on that backend environment for the Linux.
Okay. Chalo, acceptable answer, but still there is a primary reason behind it.
Basically, an instance is typically refers to the virtual machine.
Okay. Instance refer to the virtual machine. Okay. Then why node?
And then and the node is a usually we generally in term of that is a physical or virtual machine in the virtual network.
No. Guys, still you have time. Think it and give me the answer. VM versus INSTN versus node. This is your question. look like very similar, okay, but there is a primary difference between these two. Yes.
Software is installed on the instance, then it become node.
First, it's a virtual machine. I requested a virtual machine, so we will call as an instance. But why I'm getting node? Because the Docker is getting installed into this VM. That's why we will call as a node. Okay, if it's a plain machine, we will call as a virtual machine or instance. Okay, if any of the VM has any software application installed, then we will call as a node. In your company, your server is calling as a node, not virtual machine. Agree with my point?
Yes.
Right? In your company, in your real time, you will call as a node. Okay, don't say as the instance. Okay, in the interview also, you can say that we have this many nodes. If you will use this keyword, he will understand that you have a good understanding of the basics also. Okay, if you will say we are using virtual machine, he will say, really, you are using virtual machine? And I argue with one of the student and I rejected him into the interview. Okay, because he don't know the difference between what is the instance and node. Node where the software application has been installed. Okay, currently in my case, Docker is the application. That's why he is giving the node to me. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. Thank you. Now tell me 2-3 basic Linux command, please. Basic Linux command.
Ifconfig.
ifconfig. Okay. Yep. Configuration
df-h.
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 Okay. ls. Okay. pwd. Okay. mkdir. abc. Okay. My basic Linux commands are working here. Correct? Yes or no? Guys, yes or no? My basic Linux
Yes.
commands are working
Yes.
here. Okay,
Yes.
you don't have any cloud account. You don't have to do anything. Just create a Docker account and practice the basic Linux here. Okay, whatever I am teaching in the today's class, you can practice here. Tomorrow class, we will go into the Google Cloud and we will do the activity. Make sense? Yes or no? Don't blame that you don't have the environment. You have an environment, free environment. Okay? Cool? Yes, no?
Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you. Okay. Cool. And this is one of the playground approach. I have one more approach which I would like to give it to you, that is called local machine approach. Okay, local machine approach is we have a mobile extreme software which is freely available to us. We can create an X server, SSH, RDP, VNP, VPCN, X forward, SSH, telnet, so many operations we can able to do with the help of this software. So I would like you to install this software in your machine. This will be a replacement of the PuTTY. PuTTY has only one option, SSH connection. This has thousands of features available. Okay, PuTTY is like a cycle. So I'm giving you Honda City in place of the cycle. Okay, so you can use this mobile extreme software in place of PuTTY where thousands of features are available. How to use or how to download it? Guys, I'm giving you this link. Okay, you have to click on this download option. Okay, as soon as you will come here, you will able to see portable or installation option. Okay, I'm giving you this link. Okay, wait. You have to use this portable edition. As soon as you will click on this portable edition, what will happen? Directly the binary file will come to you. Okay, I just click into this place. Okay, I want you to click into this portable option. No installer, you don't have to install anything. Directly the runnable file will be available, which you can use in your office laptop also. Okay, if you will go for the installation option, you have to download, you have to click next, and you have to install in your machine. So I want you to use the portable edition so that you don't have to do anything. Now, in place of me, I want someone of you who has downloaded this software, okay, who has downloaded this software, share a screen so that we will create a Linux terminal in your machine itself. Go ahead. Who has downloaded this software? Who has downloaded this software? Let me know. Muzaffar. Okay, Muzaffar has downloaded. Muzaffar, can you share your screen, please? Go ahead, share your screen. Everyone see the Muzaffar screen, please. Share your screen, please, and talk with me. Or guys, whoever has downloaded this software, share your screen, please. Yeah, Ravi, go ahead. Share your screen.
Yeah, just a minute. Let me try. Someone is sharing. I think someone is already trying to share that.
Correct. Okay, yeah. Muzaffar, yes. As soon as you downloaded this software, go ahead. See, we are able to see your Chrome. I want to see the full screen, please. We are able to see your full screen. Minimize this Chrome. Have you downloaded that software? Muzaffar, talk with us. Have you downloaded that software? Yeah, wait. Muzaffar, no. Please talk with me. No, please talk with me. Have you downloaded the software? I think you are already using it from earlier, right?
Yes, sir.
You are using it? No, I want to go with the fresh person, okay, who never used it. Please, anyone. Muzaffar, you can stop your screen. Anyone other person who downloaded with me?
I have downloaded.
Yes, please download and share your screen. Yes, you can see some people are already using it, right? So I'm not teaching the something very new, right? Some people are already using into the real time, right? Cool. You have downloaded the software. Yes, go to your downloads. No. Please download it again. Guys, anyone who downloaded this software, please let me know.
Stop.
You can stop. Anyone else? Guys, it's just a software download, nothing, no installation, only download the software. Anyone? Guys, please be fast.
Actually, it's not. Should I? Actually, I'm
I'm
unable
sharing
to
my
download that.
screen. I'm sharing my screen.
Who has downloaded it can
Yeah,
share
it's
the screen.
downloaded.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, cool. Okay.
Yeah.
Mohammed, yes, it's downloaded. Go to your downloads folder. Buddy, you are sharing your browser. Share your full screen, please.
Yeah,
We have to.
reshare. I'm in my download folder.
No, we are able to see your
Okay, I
browser.
will reshare
Okay.
again.
Reshare full screen. Okay. Cool. Yeah.
Able to see my screen.
Good. We are able to see your screen. Yes, guys, wait. As soon as you will download 40 MB of this software will be downloaded. Right click and unzip it, please. Right click and unzip it. Unzip it, yes, extract all.
Okay.
Yep. Okay. Yep. Wait, guys, everyone, see here, don't do anything in your machine. He just downloaded the software. He just extracted it. Go into the folder, mobile stream folder. Yes, go inside the folder. Cool. Okay. As soon as you will go into the folder, okay. What happened? Folder is not opening.
Yeah, it's open already.
Nobody. We are not able to see the open folder.
Wait,
Share your full screen, please. Okay. Share your full screen, please.
Okay. It's fine now.
Yeah, now it's fine. Okay. Yes. Now double click on this software, mobile stream personal. Yes. As soon as you will double click on it, the application will run. Okay. And yes, the application has run. Guys, do you feel that we have to install anything? No. Right? We don't have to install anything.
No.
Just download. It's a binary file. Okay. Allow it. Yes. Okay. Now you have a two option. You want to take as a light screen or dark screen. Whatever you want to choose, you can choose it. Light screen and just click on the start local terminal. Just click on the start local terminal. Yes. As soon as you will click on the start local terminal, yes, one local Linux terminal has been started in your machine. Okay. Just type a simple command ls pwd ls. Yes, enter pwd. Yep, cool. Basic Linux commands are running here as well. Agree? Yes or no?
Yes.
Everyone?
Yeah, yes.
Cool. Thank you. What I would like to say that, yes, don't say that we don't have any environment at this point for the learning purpose. You have the environment and you can start learning the Linux from the today itself. Are you agree?
Yes.
Everyone?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. It's work for everyone. Mobile stream. Just download, unzip it and use it. That's it. Okay, no needs to install nothing. So what I would like to say that, yes, we have just downloaded one tool in our machine so that we can start learning the Linux from tomorrow. We have created the playground account also so that we can explore the Docker as well into this place. Okay, and someone is asking, Arun is asking, what is the difference between Playground and Mobile Stream? Playground is a web-based application over the internet. You can use it. You can, means you will get an environment from the Docker itself. Local tool is a software which you have installed in your machine to use the server. These are the two different ways. Okay, my intention is to teach you the Linux in a multiple ways. Make sense? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Whatever you like, guys, whatever you like, you can use it. Okay, Playground, you don't have to worry anything. Use it and close it. That's it. Tool, you have to use it. It will consume your CPU memory from your local machine. Okay, if you don't want to give that, go to the Playground option, best option. Okay, now in the tomorrow class, we will go and create a GCP account and we will start learning the Linux over the Google Cloud itself. Okay, so that from tomorrow onward, our Google Cloud learning will get started, plus Linux admission activities will be created. Fine, means overview is done. Now the administration activity will be get started from the tomorrow session. Cool.
So we have to download the portable version or the installer
A
version?
portable edition. Just install the portable edition. Okay. Guys, this one. Okay, portable, so that you don't have to install anything. Okay, download, extract it, and use it. Cool. Everyone, all good? Everyone on the same phase?
Yes.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Right? How was
Yes.
the today's session? Able to understand?
Yeah, definitely.
Able
As
to?
usual.
Everyone?
Yeah.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I have a small assignment to you. Okay. The assignment is whatever we have learned in the last 1.5 hours. Okay. Recall everything. Okay. Don't watch the video, please. Okay. It's a very long. Okay. Recall everything and try to write 10 points, 15 points, whatever we have learned in the today's session, and write down into our Facebook community. Okay. That we have understand this into the day 4. Cool. Yes or no? Summarize the session so that you will remember everything. Are you agree?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Agree,
Otherwise,
sir.
what will happen? After 50 days, you will feel that what I learned, we have learned a lot of things. Summarize it from today. Okay. That we have learned today, this into our live session. Okay. You have to come into the Facebook community. Everyone join the Facebook community. Okay. Write something here. Okay. Write the things, whatever we have learned. Okay. And then just post it. That's it. So that what will happen? You will remember it. You will think what all things we have learned in the today's session. Okay, and read everyone views. Okay, just 5 minutes, 10 minutes. We will see the post and everything, right? Read the post so that what will happen? You will remember, okay, Arun has remembered this point, Prashant has remembered this point, and the quick revision will happen in the 5 minute only. Clear? Instead of watching the 1.5 hour video, just make the quick revision in the 5 minute only. Fine? Clear?
Yes. Yes.
Good. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Okay, everyone join this community and please write the what we can say, how whatever we have discussed. Thank you. And I'm stopping the recording. And guys, recording will be available in the next 20 minutes in your LMS system. Okay, with this PPT.